Hey, to check sleep data on the Xiaomi Watch 2, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can do this on your watch, click on the side button. Now you have to find the sleep. So it's just right here, open it, and as you can see in my case there's like no data because I wasn't sleeping today with this watch. When you scroll down you can find data from the last 7 days. But for me it's actually a little bit easier to take a look for all of the stats on the Mi Fitness application. So also I recommend you to grab your phone, go into the Mi Fitness app, click on the health, click here on the sleep data, and now we can actually go between days, weeks, months. You can find your idle sleep duration, sleep distribution. You can also change the date quicker by selecting this calendar. And you can also check which sleep animal are you. There we go. And from here you can go into you can go for more insight statistics of your sleep. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.